Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is already on iOS 26 and has at least 50% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once done, place your Airpods in the charging case and open the lid near your iPhone so pairing info appears. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and Bluetooth is on. The update uses your phone's connection. If you haven't backed up settings, do so now. This preserves customizations. Now watch for the firmware prompt in Settings or the Airpods card. You'll tap Settings, then Bluetooth and the eye icon beside your Airpods to view firmware details. If an update is offered, follow the on-screen prompts and accept. The phone will transfer the firmware to the case. Make sure the Airpods case remains open and keep the iPhone plugged into power and within 1 to 2 meters for the transfer to finish. This minimizes dropouts. Once progress stops, wait a few minutes. Firmware installs quietly in the background. You'll confirm success by checking the firmware version under Bluetooth's info icon. The new build should be listed. If the update didn't apply, reset your Airpods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then reconnect to your iPhone and retry the process. If problems continue, restart your iPhone and ensure iOS 26 remains installed. Network drops are the usual culprit. Finally, contact Apple support only after these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.